here at, yes, you guessed it, that Southern Classic. We're here. Proof how a Confederate flag is evil, because this is from the South, boy. See that? Now, what you think that means? That's Southern. Yep. It's boy time. See that boy? There's a Y in that star. It's boy time. They do the Texas Pete. Thank you, brother. And I'm going, how is that real? Yeah, how is that real? I mean, my bad. Whoops. Oh, whoa. That is. Oh, whoa. My gosh. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Oh, whoa. So you just told me you don't have the Mountain Dew Southern Shock? No. Whoa. Whoa. Starting to freak out. They don't have Mountain Dew Southern Shock, and it's this restaurant, man. I'm not kidding. Look. Where's it at? I mean, these are amazing. I'm going to have to go ahead and order up any. Oh, my gosh. Ooh, that was crucial. Oh, my gosh. Sorry for the freaking out. Oh, my gosh. Okay. No, ma'am. Like I said, I just really like this Bojangles.
Can I get a name from you?
666. Grass and done. Ooh. I threw habanero in there. The jalapeno ranch. And I threw a little habanero in the southern gravy. And just a little, tiny little. Let me get that fixed real quick. Oh, I did better than that. This is ñ⅙GêR. FAGIC, Foxtrot, Alpha, Golf, India, Charlie. I don't do that. Just can't see a K pronoun. And what's that over there? What's that? Mm, mm, mm. Like a real Asian. Legendary.